In the grand theater of life, each dawn whispers the promise of a new act. An act where we encounter trials, face obstacles, and grapple with difficulties. Yet it's within this crucible of challenges our true character takes the stage. Within each one of us, there exists a tale of courage waiting to be told. A tale woven by ambitious goals, by daring steps into the unknown, by the audacity of dreams. Believe not only in your capabilities, but also in the captivating story you're weaving. Each challenge surmounted, each goal achieved, lifts us to new heights. We scale the mountain of our aspirations, driven by the indomitable spirit within. And just remember, with each peak conquered, a new vista of possibilities opens. For within you lies the power to script a narrative of greatness. Our shared journey is a story of compassion, unity, and strength. Together, we weave a tapestry of shared experiences and victories. Through the lens of unity, we find the strength to conquer, to uplift, and to inspire. The chapters of kindness and unity possess the potential to reshape the story of our shared journey. In the realm of dreams, persistence and dedication reign supreme. There is an unmatchable thrill in the moment when aspirations cease to be mere figments of imagination and transform into tangible successes. The sweet taste of victory is a testament to the tenacity of the human spirit. It's a celebration of the strength that lies within us, the strength to dream and to transform those dreams into reality. Remember, every dream realized is a beacon of hope illuminating the path to future triumphs. Set your goals, persist with dedication, and stay committed. With every sunrise, a new canvas unfolds, inviting you to paint a tale of inspiration. As the day's first light breaks the darkness, remember that each moment is a fresh start, an opportunity to rewrite your narrative. In the grand symphony of existence, you are the maestro, and every dawn is a chance to compose a masterpiece of resilience, ambition, and triumph. You've got this. Keep believing, keep crafting, and keep living your extraordinary story.